Hey folks, it's Andy, Muscle in the Mountains. Here we are with another video from Poplar, North Carolina at the Run for the Hills Car Show. We've got several videos from today. If you've not seen the rest of them, you can click into those after you get finished with this one. Watch them all. You don't have to see them in any particular order. There's no definite order to them. Just make sure you catch them all. Love this car. 58 Ford, isn't that cool? With the matching camper. These are awesome. So much fun. So go ahead and watch the video all the way to the end. If you've not seen the others, you can check them out after this one. Here's our Plymouth Pace car. Love this Fury. Very cool. Lots of great vehicles here today, folks. Some of the coolest I've ever seen anywhere. Look at this Impala. Isn't that great? Wow. Nice. Nice. That's awesome. I like that. It's a 62 something. See this Fairlane. Love the yellow. 67. I may have already videoed this one, I'm not sure. Some of it runs together, location wise. Nice. 442. Nice. 67 Chevelle. Isn't that cool? Some more great rides out this way. A few of them have left already, maybe more than a few. And nice. You get this 69 Mustang. So many cool rides today. Good stuff. So I got this rat rod. That's a beast. Wow. So nice. Very nice. Check out this awesome 68. Love it. And 69 Camaro. Look at that. Wow. That's a beast right there, folks. Nice. Isn't that gorgeous? 69 Camaro SS. This one has 454 badges. One bad Camaro. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, it's tough. Nice C10. Now I'm sure there were tons of vehicles out here earlier, but 4 hours. Leave 3 or 4 hours early. They're not in the video sometimes. Yeah, there were lots more vehicles in this area before, but we're just now getting over here. Yeah, isn't that sweet? Nice. That's cool. Good looking pickup up the step side. Nice. Awesome. Nice. Check out this wild paint. Wow, pretty cool. 68 Camaro. Nice. Got just a few bikes. Good looking stuff. Nice. Mustang. Another 68. Very cool pickup. Wow. Lots of cool rides. Loving the bus. The Monte Carlo. One spaceship. One bad Corvette. Wow. Yeah, this Roadrunner. Very nice. 69 Roadrunner.
Cuba.